Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to switch users on Windows 10. So if you go to the start button and go to the power button, then you will find only three options, which are shutdown, sleep and restart. You won't find the switch users option. So for that, what you need to do is press Alt F4 from the keyboard, Alt F4, and you'll get a window here, a small one, just like this, and then click on this little arrow here and you'll find the first option, which is switch user. Then click on OK, and all the apps will be closed here. Okay, switch users without closing apps, so apps won't be closed. However, you'll once you click OK, you will go to the login screen where you can sign into another account. So thank you for watching the video. Please like it and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.